In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google account signed in. This is especially handy if you've noticed that your account constantly logs out, causing you to re-enter your credentials more often than you'd like. Let's jump right in. First, ensure that you're using the Google browser. This is where the magic happens and where we're going to adjust all the necessary settings. Open up your browser and head to the top right corner where you'll see three little dots. This icon is your portal to more options and settings, so go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, a drop down menu will appear. What you're looking for is the settings option. Clicking on this will guide you into the heart of your browser's configurations. This is where most of the multitasking magic occurs. In the settings menu, navigate to privacy and security. The name gives it away, it's all about keeping your browsing secure while making sure your experience is smooth. Here you'll want to find the section labeled third-party cookies. Cookies, as many of you know, are small pieces of data that remember who you are, essentially making your browsing experience more personalized and seamless. Now make sure to allow third-party cookies. By enabling this, you're granting your browser permission to keep track of certain preferences and login states, which in our mission to stay logged in will help a great deal. Next up, go back in the privacy and security section. Here, you're going to notice another crucial point. Click on delete browsing data. This might seem counterintuitive when you think about staying signed in, but bear with me. In the time range, ensure it is set to all time. This ensures any old or corrupt data that might be causing issues is entirely wiped clean, and then click on delete data. Once that's out of the way, scroll down a bit to find about Chrome. This is where you'll check if Chrome is up to date. It's essential to have the latest version because updates often contain fixes for these little bugs that log you out unexpectedly. After updating, finally, go ahead and log into your Google account. With everything we've done so far, this login should be stable and you should stay signed in going forward without repetitive logouts. And there you have it, you've successfully configured your settings to help keep your Google account signed in. This ensures less hassle and a smoother, more seamless browsing experience. Remember, maintaining up-to-date software and clean cookies are key components to a successful venture into uninterrupted Google usage. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.